The next part, it will be the part of the projects. We have already finished the skills. Now, let's gonna continue with the project, which consists of one title, small description. It has a picture and is divided between three different parts or three different projects. Each project inside has a picture of the project, a title of the project, description of the project, and also it has a description of the technologies using in this project. Also has the picture has a link, and also there is another link right here. So the person visiting can go and see the place or the website that is created. Let's gonna work to create this part. We are going to create a container for all the projects. And we're gonna give a class to this that is gonna be called projects. We also gonna add the class trans. This part has a title, which is a H2, and it says projects. It also has a small description, which is a simple paragraph, which says, here are some of my projects. After that, we will proceed to create each individual project. If we see this part right here, you can see that we have a small box or container which has each of the individual projects. That box, it will be a div, and this div is going to be called Pro. Inside of this div, we are going to have another div, which is going to be Pro Left. And we also going to have another div, which is Pro Right. The Pro Left will contain the picture and the things that are in the left side. The Pro Right is going to have the things that are in the right side. As you can see, we have the picture on the left and we have the text and the descriptions with the title in the right. We know the picture is a link. We're going to start with the A tag. Inside of the A tag, we need to put the picture, EMG, and it's asking what is the source of the picture. We put it in a folder that is called EMG, and the name of the picture is pro1.png. Alternative text, missing picture. Now let's go for the right side, and right here we know, in this part we know that we have a title, a text, and another text. The title is going to be a H2, and we're going to call it, just going to put title right now. And then we have a paragraph and another paragraph. And right here we're going to put description. And in this part right here, we are going to put the info. Inside of this paragraph, we know that in the very end, we have a link, which it will be a tag. And we know that inside of this A tag, we want to have the word link, just as it is right here, link. For the moment, we have the hashtag right here. We are going to come to this place where is image, the picture, and let's go now get it with a class. Class pro pic for picture. Now we are going to come to our CSS file, and in the CSS we're going to Pro, pick. And right here we're going to specify the dimensions that we want to give to this picture, which is white, 270 pixels. Height, 150 pixels. And border, we would like to have a 2 pixels, solid, and black. Let's go and save the changes. And there you have it. We have a small picture, and we have the title, the description, with a link. The link right now is going nowhere. In the example, the picture is on the left, and the text is in the right. We have it one on top of other, and we don't even have the black line or border that we have right here. Let's go and fix that one. To be able to do that, we need to modify the tag, the class Pro. To do that, we need to modify and give specific characteristics to the class Pro. In our CSS, we're going to create Pro. And let's going to create first the border. We want 1 pixel, solid, black. Save the changes. Let's go and review what we have. Refresh. And right now, we do have the line. Let's continue. The next part, it will be to put this picture to the right and this part to the left. To do that, in Pro, we're going to change the display settings. Display, flex, direction, row. Control S. Let's gonna see the changes that we have. Refresh. And there is getting a little bit of shape. Now it's to the right, and this information is to the left. Let us continue. Padding. We would like to give 20 pixels to the top, 25 pixels to the right, 15 pixels to the bottom, and 100 pixels to the left. Refresh. And then you can see that now we have the separation between those two, the title and the description. But the title and the description, they are too close of each other. Well, let's gonna give it some distance between those two. In our CSS, we're gonna create another part, Pro, left. And right here, we are gonna give a margin to the right of 15 pixels. Save the changes and refresh. Now we have the separation that we need. Now that we have this part so far, let's gonna copy what we have. Copy and paste it, and paste it again. Control, save. And let's gonna review the changes. Now we have the same project 3 times, which is good because it's just a template that we're gonna fill right now. But you can see that there is no separation between those two projects. In the original one, we have a separation between each project. To be able to accomplish that separation, in the Pro, we need to add margin to the bottom of each one of the projects, 20 pixels. Save changes and refresh. We have it. Now, the only thing that we're going to do right now is we're going to fill the information that we need to be able to have the text right here. I will be copying the text from this part right here. Favorite singers, title, favorite singers. Now let's gonna copy the description of the text, but no the link. Copy, description, and technologies. Use HTML and CSS. Info. Also, we're going to do the same for the next project. Title, description, technologies. And if you see the technologies right here are same technologies than right here. So basically what I'm going to do in this part, in the info, I'm going to put it right here. And also in the third one. Now let's gonna title for the third project. Text of description. And now the pictures. The picture for the project, for the second project is Pro-2. And for the third project is Pro-3. Control, save. Let's gonna see what we have. And right here, we have projects, the information that we need, but there is one thing missing. My links are not working. We need to make those links work. And we're gonna be copying the links from this part right here. First of all, the very first one is the one for the singers. And I'm gonna go to the address, copy the address, and in the very first project, I'm gonna delete the hashtag and put the address right there. And I'm gonna do the same in the part of the link. Now, I'm gonna go to the next project, add two numbers, copy the URL, and do the same. And also for the temperature converter. Copy the address and place it instead of the hashtag. Save the changes. Let's go to the project and review. Now we have a link. There is one more thing that we need to add. In this case, is using the same tab. Let me show you what I mean. In this case right here, this is the final project. And if we want to go to this page, it opens it in a different tab. However, the project that we are coding right now, when we click, it uses the same tag. We would like to be able to, every time that we click, go to a different tag. To do this, we need to come to this part right here. And we're going to give it a space, and we're going to say target blank. And we need to do exactly the same in the end of the links of the text. Space target blank. Save the changes. Review the click, and it's open in a new tab. And with this, the project's part is finished.